Hey guys, it's Code with Shar. Today we're going to be learning how to make a rain effect in Scratch. First, open up a new project. I have the raindrop already loaded. I can put it in a starter project for you. First, I'm gonna make the rainbow drop a bit smaller. That seems good. Okay, now time for the code. When green flag is clicked, forever, we need to make a block called spawn. Run without screen refresh. And this, it just makes the rain happen a bit quicker. So then when green flag is clicked, forever spawn. When I start out as a clone, show. And we also need to go to Y200 and X. We need to pick random for -240 and 240. Oops. And then we need to do repeat until -180 is greater than Y position. And there we need to put in a change Y by -15. And then delete this clone. We need to add a sound effect called rain. And then when green flag is clicked, forever play rain until done. Play sound rain. We also need to hide it. And now you can see we have rain. That is how you make rain effect in Scratch.